Welcome. In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you, can someone see if I viewed their TikTok profile? It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Okay, can someone see if I viewed their TikTok profile? Yes, that person will get notification if you have turned it on. Click on the TikTok, click on the profile icons and click on the three icons which appear at the right top corner instead of three lines. Click on these 2 points and you can see who people viewed your profile. You also get notification in your inbox and you click on this circle and you can see profile view history. If you turn on, then you can see, and if you turn off, you cannot see, and other people can also not see your this activity. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.